everybody. I have some of those great, like I call them grab bags, but they fill them up with things and you're not sure what's in them. You have sort of an idea of what's in them, but you're never sure until you open them. I might even throw some other things in this particular video, but we're going to start out with this one bag, and I'm going to say it was $6, okay? And this is what is in it. It is, that's cute, Your God's Girl coloring book. Oh my God, that is so, I didn't even see that. That is too cool. Brand new. Look at this, guys. Brand new. It's got little, you are young, but don't let anyone treat you as if you are not important. From Timothy. You are the light that shines the world to see. Oh my God, these are such positive quotes. No, may my words and thoughts please you, Lord. You are my rock, the one who rescues me. And it is brand new, so how cool is that? Let's see, it was from Harvest House Publishers. It was $10 and it's in this bag for $6. I'm excited. Okay, and I like these little page markers. You will see them either at Walmart in their stationery department. We've got, let's see, this is cool. It's better together, the time is now. And it's just a little notebook that you can write in. In the back, let's see, it's got, you can put important contacts in the back, but that's also brand new. So you need to start looking at all these packaged items. I homeschool, so all of these are really great for me. They have little index cards in there, brand new. And you know, you can also, if you wanted to, fix a basket up and take one maybe to somebody in a nursing home or something that maybe they can color and do just to pass on some of your goodies. All right, this is, let me see what this is. This is just little cardboard pieces. Probably be great for, oh no, they're photographic paper. So if you have a photo printer, I got a whole big bag of these. That's a good deal too. Again, still in the same little bag. My daughter's been dying for this one. This is, I don't know if she'll get it or not. It might be mine. It might be mine. We'll see. It is Tom from Animal Crossing. We both have an Animal Crossing. I like Animal Crossing too. And it's just little pages that you could take. Brand new. I might keep it for that. Okay. Then we have, I give her all of my journals, so I've already given her all of them, so maybe this one's mine. All right, this is a combo pack that you can actually flag important documents or to-do list. It's got to-do on it. You can set it in your little notebook. As you can see, it has a picture, so you can tag your little notebook. There's also a notebook right here. Look at this. And it's got like pencils in it. And that's pretty cool. It's also got a painting set that came in it, I believe. Yeah, it did. So it's like this. I don't know if you can see it without me. So it's got a painting set too. It's also got a ruler, and this is this ruler. Let's see. That's a pretty cool ruler. It does spherical, circular, circumference, length. That's in this bag also. I did get, this is one of those gum erasers for art. Probably sticking in this little bag. And let's see, it's this little random thing. It's a little sewing kit, which is sort of cute. That was in there too. It's so cute. It's got all the little tools you would need. It's got a seam ripper. Look how little that is. It's got buttons. threads. It's got needles. Look at that. That's a pretty cool thing. And it's got a tape measure. So this would be cool if you were going somewhere traveling. You could just stick it in your little pack because it's got all the threads and needles. Just needs a little pair of scissors to put in there. So that's not bad. All right, that's bag number 1. I'm going to throw everything back in here real quick. Okay, my next one. This thing is full. Oh my God, it's heavy. It's full. It's heavy to lift, but we will open it. It was probably $8. So let's see what's in it. I was like, oh my goodness. Let me see what's in this one. First off, it's got chandelier bulbs. It has, let's see, look at this. I'm not sure what this is, but I think it's one of those rivets. It's got a tool in there for rivets. That's pretty cool. Of course, it's got brand new ruler wrapped in cellophane. It's got brand new pens. It's got a tablecloth, plastic tablecloth. Looks like it's got another plastic tablecloth and another clear one for something, not sure what. Okay, this is cool. It's got an embroidery hoop. It has, I'm not sure what this is, it's little boots. So maybe, I'm not sure, it's like little boots. That's really cute. I'm not sure what it's for, but oh, maybe it's for a can. You guys know, let me know. It's got a hole in it. So maybe it's for a bottle to keep it cold. I don't know. It doesn't have directions on it, but there are 2 of them. Not sure, guys. Okay. It's got glue sticks. It's got wood pencils. Brand new. Really, you could like make a little basket for somebody that maybe's in school. Maybe didn't think about buying all these things for them. Here's a little, it's a little embroidery hoop. And it's like a floral. That would be pretty. Maybe Felicity can do that. And here is some memo books. Here is some stickers for somebody that is a swimmer. There's a little easel that you can pin maybe a note on it or a card that you might get. It's got a little holder in the back. I'm telling you, this one's packed full. Egg-shaped chalk for outdoors. Brand new. I'm telling you, this is probably worth $8. Okay, glue sticks, ton of them. Actually, 8 of them. Another sticker, little school. Oh, these are earrings. These are cute. They're little school bus earrings. That's cute. And for somebody who is artistic, some stamps. Or stickers, I should say. They're stickers, not stamps. And more glue sticks. Somebody must have gave up their craft job or business. Oh, look at this. A big brush. It's one of those chip brushes. It's very big. Here is a cute little, oh, it's like a little, it's a pretty little, that is so cute. It's a little notepad. Look how cute that is. And it's, what, closes up. Little notepad. somebody was definitely, look, we can always use pencils, can't we? We homeschool. Pencils is something we always need. And, this is random. Dual control fan and light. It controls both a fan and a light. Of course, it's electrical, you got to put it together. And we have this is funny, roofing cables. That's pretty random. Then decorative decorative shred for your baskets and your little birthday packages. You have this heavy duty, oh wow, this is made out of slate, it's a heart. It's pretty cool. There's another, this is a hole punch, 3-hole punch. You can put it in your notebook too. It's got little holes to go into your notebook. Here is a art stick. It works. It's red and black. And last but not least is the second bag. My third bag is pretty heavy too. Here we go, third bag. Let's see what's in this one. This one was, I think, $6 or $3, but I don't remember. So this is the last bag. And this one's pretty cool too. This has got a lot of different things in it. Okay. This is cool. This is a Halloween one. It says Scary Boo Halloween, Trick or Treat. It's pretty spooky. It's made out of wood, so you can paint it. You can also use these, which we've done before, is to take a black t-shirt and use some bleach, and you can have this design on a shirt or a tablecloth or a runner, and that would be cool too. We have a video on that somewhere in our, I don't know, how many videos do we have now, Angelina?
Several.
Okay, that's in that bag. This is, let me see if I can, wow, I'm not sure what this is, but it is this big, looks like somebody was trying to sell it for $3 at a garage sale, and it probably didn't sell. But it's a wood piece, and it's like marked off. I think they probably did that. I'm not sure what they were going to do with it, but you can see it's pretty thick. So yeah, that's in there. Okay, we have a piece of cork, which you can always use cork. Somebody was selling this at a garage sale. It's 4 pieces of cork, and they paid $1 for it. They were selling it for 50 cents, but it didn't go at the garage sale. Obviously, she stuck it in this bag. So you can make coasters out of this too, so you can use your Cricut. Maybe put a design on it. You can even paint these. So many different things you can do with cork. You can put it on the bottom of a vase so it doesn't scratch your table. So many interesting things that you can do with it. All right, so this is little pieces of wood. As you can see, there is 6 of them. I'm not sure what she was going to do with these. She had put it $3 on there. She paid, yeah, she paid $3.99 for it. It is, doesn't really, it's just laser cut little pieces of wood. So there you go. Next piece is another piece of wood. some sort of stand and easel that you probably could do something like put your cricket and put a design on there. Okay, this is a little good jar. Probably came from Dollar Tree. And we have, let's see, this is paint your own design. It's in the shape of an oval. Could use it at Easter too because it's got some ribbon that comes with it. You don't have to use it at Easter. And then the last thing is, it's called Sea, Sand, and Sunshine. And it is, I'm thinking maybe it is an embroider kit. So there is that. As you can see. And that's pretty much a lot for that bag too. But that is it for my 3 bags, guys. If you would subscribe, that would be great. Hit the like button and the notification bell. And share with your family and friends. We would really appreciate it. We would love for you to be a part of our family. And we hope that you are enjoying these videos. If there's a video that you want us to do, let me know. If there's a craft you want me to do, I'll do that too. And we're getting ready to do some styling with some of the pottery videos that I showed you this last time. And I'm getting ready to do another pottery video. So we'll be styling them in another video. I'm just going to show you some of the items that I got at Goodwill. All right, take care. Love you guys. Have a great day. Please share with your family and friends and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.